We have a leak on the gate valve and the ball valve irrigation line. We are going to cut all this old crap out with a bandsaw. Can you see what I did wrong in this video? I was trying to cut the handle off on the gate valve to no luck. So we're going to tighten this fitting and cut it off. That way we can turn it out. Of course, I hit my tripod. Go to cabin for Father's Day, taking tools just in case. It's always looking for a little extra money. Gotta pay for the next Switch to game I want to buy. Donkey Kong comes out next month. The Scuttlebutt it's amazing.